Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Adofai custom levels on mobile. It's easier than you might think to dive into the vast world of community-created content right from your phone or tablet. We'll cover everything from getting your device ready to finding and importing exciting new levels. Get ready to enhance your rhythm game experience with countless hours of fresh challenges and unique tracks, all at your fingertips. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure your mobile device is ready. First, confirm that your phone or tablet meets the game's minimum system requirements for optimal performance. Next, download and install the official A Dance of Fire and Ice game from your device's App Store. Finally, ensure you have at least 100 megabytes of free storage space available for the custom level files you'll be adding. This preparation ensures a smooth experience. Now, let's find some amazing custom levels. Many dedicated community websites and forums host a wide variety of player-created content. When browsing, try to find levels that are known to be compatible with mobile devices for the best experience. Once you've found a level you like, download the file. These are often compressed into a zip archive, which you'll need to extract later. There are thousands of levels waiting for you. The final step is to get those levels into your game. First, use a file manager app on your device to locate the downloaded zip file and extract its contents. You'll then need to move the extracted level folder into the specific custom levels directory within the A Dance of Fire and Ice game's data. Once that's done, simply launch the game, navigate to the custom levels section, and enjoy your new challenges. It's that easy to expand your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.